prop myself up on a pillow because I've been doing more weights in the gym when I've been doing my workouts, and I'm really feeling it today. So even just sitting crisscross like this is not as easy as it normally is, but I'm just getting ready for the day and I'm gonna head into the city today. I've got some errands I want to run and also some fun stuff. One thing I really want to do with you guys today is get some pizza for lunch. I've been reading this book called Tomorrow and Tomorrow and Tomorrow, and while they don't talk about pizza that much, the main character Sam, his grandparents own a pizza place, and I've had it in my mind recently that I just want some good vegan pizza. I've had okay vegan pizza, but I haven't had great vegan pizza yet. And so we're gonna try a new place in the city. It's kind of around where some of my errands are, so I figured we could go there for lunch. And then I really wanted to go to this place called Cloudy Bakery or Cloudy Donuts. I'll put the name on the screen. It looks phenomenal. It's all vegan and they just opened a location in Manhattan and the flavors just look so good. There's this one that is blood orange with rosemary that I think just sounds so good. I've heard this sweet potato cinnamon roll is really good. There's so many unique combinations and I've been really wanting to try them, but they're not open today. They're only open a few days of the week. So we'll have to do that another day, but there are some other vegan bakeries that I might stop into. We'll see how the day goes. And then after that, I'm gonna pick up some groceries and then meet Nicholas. He's at work today, so I'll meet him in the city and we'll come back home together. And tonight I'm making a really good dinner. I'm gonna make Brazil nut pesto pasta. I love making pesto pasta and I like to switch up the way that I do it, like the ingredients that I use, just for nutrient diversity. And Brazil nuts are so versatile and they make a nice creamy pesto. So I'll show you how I do that later tonight for dinner. So it's gonna be a good day and I'm just getting myself ready. It's very cold. It looks like a beautiful, warm, sunny spring day, but it was in the 30s this morning. So gotta bundle up a little bit more than I would like to. So I'm gonna get myself dressed today, but before I do, I wanted to thank Typology for supporting my videos because I have been absolutely in love with not only their moisturizer that I use every single morning, but also the makeup. I have been using their tinted serums instead of foundation and heavy concealers, and it has made a world of difference in how my face feels throughout the day and also at the end of the day. I just feel like when you have skin like mine, which is dry, irritated, acne prone, I get lots of those fine lines, which is mostly from dehydration. So my skin really, when I have makeup on all day, just does not feel good. And these products are really light on the skin, but they're also nourishing. It's like a makeup skincare hybrid. So I'm getting all the benefits of the serums while I'm wearing the makeup, which is ideal. My favorite product from Typology is the Nourishing Moisturizer. I talked about this in my last video and I'm still going strong. I've been through several of these now and it's just so hydrating and it feels so nice on the skin. It has hyaluronic acid, shea butter, and squalene. The squalene is made from olives and it really helps to nourish the skin and protect the skin barrier, which is definitely something that my skin needs. I will say the key for me is to make sure my hands are clean and also dry when I put this on. The texture of it really goes on nicer when my hands are dry. Just thicker, more supple and rich and soothing rather than kind of gliding if my hands are wet. So that's a little tip from me to you. But I also really love the makeup products that they have. I use the tinted serum. This has aloe vera in it and vitamin C, as well as the glow drops. So I usually do about 2 pumps of this and 1 pump of the glow drops. A new product that I recently tried is the serum concealer. So this has a little bit more coverage and I've been using it to spot treat the old acne scars that I have on my cheeks, and I do a little bit around my nose because I tend to get some redness there, and then I will just do whatever's left over, a really thin amount under my eyes. I like to do a little bit of concealer here so I don't get any creasing, but this has been so nice and I love that it also has those skincare benefits. This is also in the type 2, so it matches perfectly and I love it. When I do my makeup, this is how I do it, and I don't see that changing anytime soon because my skin feels really good when I wear these products. All of these products are made in France and they adhere to much stricter guidelines over there, so there's a lot of ingredients that we're allowed to use here in the States that they are not allowed to use, so they do not go into those products. So I can really feel good about using them, knowing that they are really well made, they've got naturally derived ingredients, and they're totally vegan friendly. So if you guys want to check out Typology, you can click the link below, and they were nice enough to offer my viewers a free gift if you use that link. So go ahead and check that out. I'm gonna go get dressed and then we will head into the city. right, so I'm all dressed. I've actually got a full layer of clothing underneath my clothing just to keep the wind out, because I find that especially when you're walking around the city, if you have something warm on but the wind goes through it, you're just gonna be miserable. So I've got leggings under my jeans, long sleeves under my sweater, and my first stop is actually gonna be lunch because I'm pretty hungry and I really want to go to this place called Double Zero that my friend told me about. It's fully plant-based and they've got pizza, pasta, and salad. So that's what we're gonna go do first, and then we'll run some errands. I'm gonna get started on dinner, but a quick update on those chocolates from confectionery. I really loved the rosemary sea salt caramel, but I feel like it was a very strong flavor, so you either love it or hate it. But I thought it was really unique, and it had this warm, earthy, herbal situation that I thought worked really well with the caramel. Now I'm gonna make Brazil nut pesto, and I've already got it started. It's a really quick meal. I just soak the Brazil nuts, and then I'm gonna blend that up with fresh basil and parsley, lemon, garlic. That makes the sauce, and then we'll toss that together with pasta. Got some veggies going, so I'm gonna get that started. Oh, and I'll put the recipe down below so you can make it too. Pesto sauce, and I love it. Like, I really want to start making it more often because I really liked it. It's very easy to make, and Nicholas really liked it also, so I'm gonna add that to the rotation. And it was just such a good meal. It was like a perfect, hearty, comforting meal, but super nourishing, really good ingredients, and made me feel really good. I also had the last of the chocolates from the bakery today. I had the preserved lemon thyme one. I loved it. I think both of them are so interesting. I think caramel can sometimes be very buttery and very sweet, and it can almost be a little bit too sweet for me. And so having that good amount of sea salt and then something different like the rosemary one or the lemon one, like it really just made it so interesting. So I really liked both of them. I'm gonna wash my face and I wanted to share a hack with you guys. I have this cream that actually did not work for me, and it looks very much like this cream. This one is my favorite one. This is the one I mentioned earlier. It is the Nourishing Moisturizer, but this one is the 9-ingredient moisturizer and also very good, just not for my skin type. I find that it's just a little bit too light and not moisturizing enough, and it just has a slightly different consistency, but I didn't want to throw it away. And if any of you guys are like me and you like to try skincare products, but maybe something isn't quite right for your face, I think it can be really disheartening because you may feel like you have to throw it away because you've used it, but you don't want to put it on your face. I find that as long as it doesn't irritate my skin in any way, I can find another purpose for it. And so I keep this in my handbag, or sometimes I will use it as a neck cream in the evening, which makes me feel very fancy. I don't have a designated neck cream, but it's nice to get to use a product that I know is well made and has good ingredients and find a new way to use it so that it doesn't go to waste. I actually have a whole bowl sitting here on my bathroom counter that just has serums and stuff that I've tried, lotions and stuff that just aren't quite right for my face, but still work really well on my hands. So sometimes I will just kind of throw them into my bag and use them throughout the day as a hand cream, and it's really nice. It always makes me feel really good whenever I can repurpose something, including skincare. So I wanted to share that hack with you guys and just inspire you to get creative about your products and not let anything go to waste as much as possible. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to watch some more vlogs, I will put them up on the screen. I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you in a video very soon. Bye.